Hello, everybody. Here I am. This is the program about the ozone therapy. This is Dr. Ozono, your TV program for speaking about that science. Dr. Lale Yeprem. Welcome,
Yes.
Lela. How are you?
Thank you. Thank you, doctor. I'm very well.
In Istanbul, how is the legal legislation for the ozone therapy in terms of competence and social participation?
The Ministry of Health gives education for the doctors, trainings, and I am one of the trainers. And we are doing it upon those regulations, actually. Every doctor can do it.
Between high and low concentration, what is the trend in Istanbul? Because some people say you need low concentration, or other people say you need high concentration.
As EuroCOP, European Ozone Corporation, and World Ozone Federation, we are following the low dose concept because there are so many studies that has been made. Dr. Bocci is one of the pioneers, and Dr. Renate Viban and Dr. Olga Leon from Cuba. And Dr. Lamberto Re has published many papers about this. So we are following the low dose concept because it has many scientific basis.
Around the world, everybody uses different doses. For example, Renata Vivan, you say now, is a good experience, scientific publication. These papers speak low concentration is more better. I use high concentration and low concentration and no see difference.
There are many studies made by low concentration. There aren't so many studies with high concentration. So I follow the low dose concept because of the mechanism of action. You know, in former times, in 1970s, 80s, they did high dosage actually. And then they said, okay, ozone does not affect rheumatoid arthritis patients because they have done high doses. And then in some years later, 25 years later, they started to do low dose. And then they said, okay, this works, but it works in low dose. So they follow up the low dose because of these clinical experiences.
You are the new president of the World Ozone Therapy Federation. That's right?
Yes, next year it will start on 1st of January 25.
Congratulations! And you are have the organization of with the Society Scientific Roman Ozone Oxygen Therapy one event the 12th of October in that year.
We will be there for 2 days, 11th and 12th of October. I will go. My lecture will be on the World Federation's new booklet. You know, there is a new booklet published by the regulations and the dosages and so on from they prepared last 2 years with Lamberto Re and Jose Baeza and Antonio Teixeira. And this is a new booklet, and I will go over that and publish it, let's say, over there the first time.
Okay, congratulations.
Yes, greetings to Dr. Ozono. I thank you very much for your hospitality in your YouTube channel and for your time. And I'm very happy to meet you. And I hope we will make these programs later. Maybe we can discuss different issues from ozone.
Thank you very much, Lale.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Peter.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.